This video explains how to affordably hire professional coffee machines included in the contracts offered by Tapside of Bo'ness. Tapside are a professional coffee company with 30 years of trading experience. They offer different models of coffee machines costing from £1.50 per day plus 29 pence if a coffee grinder is also required. Each machine ordered with a coffee grinder also includes 4 stainless steel jugs, a coffee waste box, professional tamper and a special milk thermometer. An initial setup fee of £250 plus VAT covers delivery and connection to a ready site along with staff training and a free settling in period of 1 month. Each contract also includes free breakdown maintenance throughout the period of the hire. The Monrock 2 Group is the type of machine costing £1.50 per day that is illustrated here. It is able to accept tall takeaway cups for the carry-out trade as well as traditional porcelain cups. Other machines that are available include the Marcus 2 Group with a slightly higher specification and also the highly specified G10. Both of these machines are available with either 2 or 3 group heads and in bespoke colours to match the decor of your establishment. All of the machines are normally available ex-stock to allow for fast delivery and installation. Another advantage of Tapside's contract is the automatic transfer of ownership to each customer after 48 continuous monthly payments. However, if you choose to use Tapside's products such as coffee, tea and drinking chocolate, then the company will reduce the payback period to only 36 months. Tapside have a good reputation for supplying quality products, and for instance their Esprit Blend coffee compares well with brands such as Lavazza and Illy and can cost a fraction of the price. During blind tasting, the majority of the people preferred Esprit to these other blends. Contract commitment is initially 3 months, plus an additional month for termination, and the contract can last for as long as the monthly payments are maintained. During their 30 years in business, Tapside have built up a great reputation for service and customer care, and this contract model has a satisfaction rate of 97%. So now, if you care to give us a call on 0800 801413, we will be happy to provide any additional information you require to allow you to decide if this would be a suitable package for your business. Thank you for staying with me through this video presentation. I hope it's been helpful and I hope we can look forward to your call.